right, y'all, so we're on our way back to the countryside, but we got to stop at a food spot that is so cool. When Mike and I were kids, before we were married, like little kids traveling with our parents, we would stop at this spot. So it's like full circle, like 15 years later, I don't even know. It's right across the street from Green Grotto Caves. That's Green Grotto Caves. So now let's go see what they have, and we're gonna get food for the ride home. Part 3 of our trip to Jamaica. So we're getting our lunch for the road, and let's see what they got. We're waiting for our food to do the pickup. I got stew pork, Mike got jerk pork, Nolan got chicken, and we're waiting right here. And it's a cool view. We can see the caves from right where we're ordering. So that's Green Grotto Caves. Right now we're in Trelawney on our way to Runaway Bay. We're getting another food stop. Y'all, Jamaica trip's about eating. I don't know about y'all, but I come here to eat. So stop one.
Try to get some pudding. Please tell me they open.
Please tell me, Pudding Man, we coming. We're gonna get some pudding, fritters, and maybe Starbucks. Yeah, there's a Starbucks here. I gotta get it. So, listen, I understand when I go back home, the diet need to be dieted because we broke out, right? We wild, we free. You just wear stretchy clothes. No judgment here, all right? So, let me show you what our food look like when we get it, all right? All right, y'all, so we got food. I got stewed pork with rice and peas. Nolan got fried chicken and rice and peas.
And I got some vegetables.
And some vegetables. This is what we do. We eat and drive.
So next stop is the...
Next stop is the pudding plan.
I'll show you that, y'all. It's a... What chicken tastes like? What chicken?
It just tastes... I could have a little more spiciness.
A little spiciness, but does it taste good?
Yeah.
Gotcha, wow.
Oh. You got me?
Yeah.
Fritters. Worth the wait. Oh, very good. We went to the pudding man here in Runaway Bay. We got our pudding. Package secure. Good, the goods. These things are hot. I mean, they're like ready to bake. So. Sweet potato pudding, cornmeal pudding, Cool Runnings pudding. A sweet potato is better, in our opinion. And it's so hot. Oh my gosh! Like holding it in the foil is hot because they bake it fresh in the Dutch pots we see outside. So what our Auntie P just told us called what? Hella top and hella bottom. That's very good. Good morning. We're here. What Michael, what you see? We saw the herd of cows. They're getting their breakfast on, and my kid is not scared at all. We're more scared than him. So we are in this view. Always gets me every time. This mountainside. So I'm still in this because this made me 45K. It made him
4,500, bro.
Oh shoot, Lord, my head no good. 4,500, and Mike made 4K this morning also. So just enjoying the morning. We're gonna change soon, get ready. Hopefully I get to go to either see my grandma or go to Almonds where Mike's people's from. So nonetheless, you'll get to see more of the countryside, which we love. So Michael Nolan,
Come back,
bro. Y'all, he enjoyed himself, as you can see. So this is cousin Lil Cuz. Say what's up.
I got a coconut. So we're going up to see her grandmother.
Going up to where I grew up at. So come on with me to the Muckle Mountain. All right, y'all, so we are here. We made it to my grandma's house, and this is a lot of my core childhood memories is right here. And I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Used to take baths out here in a little tin, and the view though, like, is outstanding. That is it right there.
The family up here.
Everybody,
grandma, aunts, everybody up there.
Yeah, that's the veranda there. This is the water tank. Catch water in here, and that would like funnel everything into the house. Pipe is not working. This pear tree has fed me many times. This pear tree here.
Avocado. Be correct for it.
Avocado in America, but in Jamaica we call it pear. So that pear tree has fed me many times. That's one of my aunties over there. One of many. And this is just so, we're literally up on a mountain. Come look. Come look. I bent down like the wire was closer.
It did look closer.
Right? Okay.
I ducked too. Don't worry about it.
I thought I was.
You're not going crazy.
Okay. All right, y'all. So this is where I got my track legs from, walking on these rock stones. You got to be stable. You got to learn how to be stable. All right. Look at that. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. So y'all, this is where I grew up at. Went to school. Would have to walk to school, walk to shop, walk to church. A lot of walking. No, I think about it, a lot of walking, but loved it. Loved it every minute of it. Hot, but up here, since we're higher up, in the evenings you feel it's nice and cool. Like there's a natural, like, coolness being higher up. So gonna hang out at the front here in the veranda with everybody, but it's always great to come back to my roots. And just going back to today, how we had an awesome day trading from anywhere, literally from where I was born, and then being able to come back and see everything. It's literally like full circle. So extremely grateful to always come back and be home, you know. Listen, nothing, this is priceless. So love it here, love it here. My little slice of peace. Yep, little slice of peace up here. So this is the step right here. You get you a nice meal and you sit down right here, ain't nothing like it. All right, up into the kitchen. This is redone. Okay, this is upgraded.
Top notch, and upgraded.
Top notch, upgrade. Okay. Okay, this is the living room. It might be dark.
Look at little baby Tanisha, y'all. Look at little Tanisha, y'all. This one, she was hot. This is when we first started talking.
You were like, yeah.
This little, I don't know what I was thinking. I upgraded her, y'all, ain't it?
There's another one. I think I got the most pictures here. Who's that?
That's your mommy, Nolan.
Why do you look like that?
Why do
I look like that? That's me.
That's funny. That's good. That's good.
That's me. The kitty's in there?
Yep.
All right.
So, alright, y'all, so we are here at my grandma's house, and we're about to head back down the hill, because we were literally on a hill up in the mountains. Love it up here. So brought Nolan up here, brought our little cousin Kai up here to hang out for the afternoon. Got Nolan's hair done, which was great, and then we are going to close off today. And this is what it's all about. Being able to come back home. This is my uncle's house. He's starting to build a house here, and just to show you, this is the start, right? Just like with anything, there's a foundation that has to be built, and building a strong foundation ensures that this is going to be here to stand the test of time. Yeah. So, anywho, the view out this window is going to be ridiculous.
Crazy. He gotta get rid of them trees.
Once he can knock out these trees, this view is gorgeous.
So if you look a little higher, trees are on the way, but it's top of the mountain. But
yeah, but it's super cool. So we got one more day here. Sad but happy at the same time. Gotta go back home. Gotta go back to work. One more full day. We're gonna go to the other side of another mountain, bring you to almonds, And yeah,
Hey.
see you. All right, great morning, y'all. It is our last final day here in Jamaica. We are about to head to Juicy Beef to get our breakfast. And we have a little bit more family to hang out with today. I have my chauffeur driving me.
Hey.
Yeah, so it's been an awesome trip. Knock on wood thus far. Done a lot of family things, touristy stuff, but most importantly, we were able to work and trade with our friends in the academy the whole time we were here with minimal internet issues. So that is chef's kiss, is what the people say, right? So anywho, we are headed out down the road, right, to get some food, and then we'll show you our breakfast. We washing clothes. We're gonna hang out clothes on the line because we get to go home with clean clothes. Tell me that's not tell me that is not awesome to go on vacation and be able to come home with clean clothes. That is so cool. So we're about to wash clothes, hang them out because duh. But look at this view. Ooh, look at that mountainside. So beautiful. That's my parents' house there, if you can see. So, anywho, my friends, we're gonna suck up our last bit of beautiful Jamaican air and soak up.
Go home too a little bit.
We do. No, this is like a bitter. It's perfect. Like it was, and we want to come back again because you know it's home. But anywho, see y'all in a little bit. All right. Y'all, so we already had breakfast and now we have some yard work to do. We're about to go hang out clothes on the line that we've already washed, and we brought down a pool for Nolan last year. So we're filling up the pool so he can have, him and his cousin can play in the pool underneath a mango tree and cool off a little bit, enjoy the sun. It's fun in the sun here, but we gotta deal with the water pressure down here, so it's gonna take a little minute to fill up. Okay, it's doing a little something something. So we'll bring you over here
To the dryer.
To the dryer, the best dryer known to man. All right, this is Jamaica sun. Give it 15, well, maybe like 20, 30 minutes. Your clothes is dry. The line and the view. I love that.
They go
So-
lollipop.
Lollipop. To the
Nolan named that the cow behind the house.
Lollipop.
So that's like.
Morning, Lollipop. Hey y'all, so we are up in Almonds where Mike grandma is from, and customary in Jamaica it's okay like to have a family plot, and we have grandma here.
So this is my grandma here. Oh my God.
These are a lot of other family members, but that's grandma here, and it's just we like to come back every trip because it's just super peaceful here. And Mike still has a grandaunt here. She's like in her 80s, but so green, lush, family all around. Nolan is just always has a good time up here. So this is the original house that's
Oh, they're
here.
your furniture store.
Oh yeah, this is our city furniture here. He's talented. That's one of Michael's cousins. He can make anything you want, which is outstanding. Like his work is really amazing. So anywho, we're gonna most likely get some food because
Look at him make himself at home.
yeah, any Jamaica trip, any place is a stop to get some food. John Bull probably gonna cook something, hopefully, and show you around some more. It's hot but cool at the same time.
Yeah, we up in the mountains.
We're in the mountains, so when you're in the shades, it feels really good.
Hello, hello.
Hey, Auntie, how you doing? Not bad, cooling off. You getting some cool breeze? Good to see you. You look good. Okay. Look at the goat. No. Look at the baby goat. No, this goat might buck you. We gotta look for the baby
family
chickens.
land going up.
All the way up to the mountain. They say all the way to the mountains there. Oh, this feels so good.
Yeah, feel good up here.
Watch your feet. So this is an old tank here, like a water tank that you would catch water to bring into the house when it rains. All family in these houses all over the place here. You see the chick? Oh, look at the puppies!
Look at the
Look at
puppies
the
too. Look.
puppies!
I never seen 3 puppies in
They're
my
so
life.
cute.
Next to each other.
So guys, we're just walking around hanging out for a little bit and then we'll show you some more going forward, okay? In this cup, I have rum and Red Bull. I have coconut water and what they call kulu kulu, which is what Americans would call moonshine, overproof rum, and with coconut water. So I'm gonna let y'all know after this cup. The bartender, which is our cousin, was just like, I'm gonna go give you a little bit because it's a lot. So this is what I'm having right now.
And little Nolan's having.
What you having, Nolan?
It's a bag juice. Yeah, bag juice.
Bag juice.
Yes.
And it's yummy.
All right.
And look at this place, guys.
Look at it.
Look at this.
Looks good. What
Looks
you,
good. Like
go
it?
ahead. Tell the people what you seeing. What you doing.
Tell me what you like on this. What's your favorite part?
What's your favorite part?
Oh, that's
okay.
good.
Good
Say-
job,
See,
Nolan.
there's a
Say
baby
comment
chick
below.
behind
What's your
us
favorite
below.
part?
Say comment below. What was
Comment below what's your favorite part.
All right, y'all. So we are closing out this part of the trip. We're heading back home. Next time you see us, we'll be in Florida. But all in all, it's been an awesome trip. We are getting our festival made fresh and our chicken fried fresh. And nothing like an outside kitchen. Ooh, yeah. That's it. So thank you for traveling with us. Thank you for coming along and seeing my family in all the different areas and coming and seeing my island. I appreciate you hanging out with us. If you had not subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you like this kind of setup, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Like my son said,
Comment below what's your favorite part.
and always, we hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month. And if you want to actually trade with us, go ahead and click the link in the description box below or comment the word trade and we got you.